All right, what's going on, everybody? Just going to do a quick recap on DraftKings. So, I took a lot more trades than I was supposed to today. Even took some more trades on the back half of the day and made some good profits. But to start the day, it was really nice for DraftKings here. So, I had sent the tweet out and alerting the Discord and the free channel that I was taking these ones right here, the DraftKings $34 calls for September 20th. So took those around here yesterday, caught a nice little run up into the close, dipped back down, and then got a nice pop. Sold off after hours and then had a nice recovery. So uh, I also added the $32 calls for August 16th and August 23rd. And then with the 34s for September 20th, I did the 33s. So I got a nice 64%, 200%, 185%, 76%. So I had a really, really good morning with the DraftKings. So what stood out to me on the reason why I took these calls, and there was almost nothing more than just checking the flow that I saw on DraftKings. But at the time, going into the close, my chart starts to load. There we go. Jesus, that took forever. So going into the close here for DraftKings on the daily, which is here. This was yesterday. I saw a nice green hammer candle. So this was a good sign that buyers were present, right? This is how that day was going to close. So I saw that later in the afternoon, and that's why I started to scale into those calls right up here. I saw this nice flag break. So when it broke and it had this nice push up here, that's where I started getting into the calls. So I saw the daily forming that nice green hammer candle. What was even more interesting than that is the weekly. So one thing I love to teach about is candlestick patterns. So there is nothing more freaking bullish, I swear, than when a stock is in a downtrend like this, and at the very bottom of the downtrend, you see a nice green inverted hammer right here. This is a sign of a potential reversal to the upside. So again, this is on the weekly time frame. So you see this kind of candlestick that had closed on this stock on the weekly, and then on the daily, we have a nice green hammer candle that also put in a little bit of a higher low right here. It didn't break this previous low, put in a higher low, which is good. That means it's kind of confirming with the weekly for a potential reversal to the upside. So lo and behold, after getting into those calls, took my first profit scale up here for between like 12 to 20% across the board on all four of those positions. And then it had the nice run up into the open, and I sold 90% of the entire position on all four of those contracts that I had. So that was what I saw on DraftKings. Nothing more than a larger time frame, bigger picture, just weekly and daily candlestick setups. So that was it, and that was the reason for the DraftKings that I alerted yesterday. So hope you guys learned some, and I'll catch you tomorrow.